We've tackled many power generation outage projects involving component replacements. Now, since your project could involve turbines or generators, you'll likely find this fossil power project in Minnesota very interesting. Barnhart engineered, planned, and executed 2 lifts, upending and downending a 430-ton generator that was 34 feet long, 13 feet wide, and 13 feet high. Barnhart's engineered solution saved cost and allowed restacking the generator core on site over the foundation pad. Now, the alternative would have required shipping the generator to an out-of-state maintenance facility. Now, what we did, we started by installing a tailing beam to the backside of the generator. We then lifted it and staged it at a 40-inch elevation to remove the lower bushing box. The team upended the generator with 2 telescoping hydraulic gantry systems, an 800-ton set and a 400-ton set. We then downended and staged the generator using the same gantries to reinstall the bushing box and then lowered the generator to the foundation. The plant had very low headroom, and the foundation floor opening was also very narrow, making it difficult to sink the generator down for staging. As you'd expect, significant time and cost savings were realized using this in-plant method versus shipping it out to a maintenance facility.